If you want to know how to make a lot of money in 2023, you've found the ideal video. Welcome to Cash Collect. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating realm of AI-generated language and see how it may be used to your financial advantage. The routine of life has ended. Thanks to AI, you can kick back and relax while the algorithms handle all the hard work. And I'll show you how to do it in this video in an easy, enjoyable way. Please listen carefully for the following few minutes so you don't miss any potentially lucrative information. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Use SuperChat. Use SuperChat, an advanced AI writing tool, to quickly and easily produce high-quality material. The nicest aspect is how simple it is to get started with. All you have to do is visit the website and make an account. Once you log in, a dashboard with numerous controls will appear. Article, product, and even social media post formats are all available as starting points for your writing. And if you're stuck for ideas, the site is loaded with prompts and recommendations to get you rolling. I can guess what you're thinking. Won't AI generate stuff that's boring and unoriginal? When I initially heard about SuperChat, I had similar reservations. But I've used it myself and can attest to the quality of the material it produces. The more you use AI, the better it gets because it is always learning and developing. The best part is that you can save a ton of time and energy by using SuperChat. You won't have to sit and stare at the computer screen for hours trying to think of the right words again. A completely developed piece of writing can be yours in a matter of minutes using this program. Step 2. Use the Business Plan Maker on SuperChat. The next phase involves making use of SuperChat's Business Plan Creator. A well-thought-out business strategy is crucial to the success of any firm, as you may already know. It lays out your plans, strategies, and forecasts, keeping you on track as your organization expands. Nonetheless, coming up with a business plan from the beginning is difficult, especially if you don't know what to include. But don't fret. The new artificial intelligence or AI function, Business Plan Maker, in SuperChat may make writing a business plan a breeze. Avoid the time and effort required to construct a professional business plan from scratch by using this simple tool. Getting started with the Business Plan Maker is as simple as logging into your SuperChat account and clicking the appropriate button. After that, you'll be asked some questions tailored to your business and its objectives. Answering these questions will aid AI in its analysis of your company and the development of a strategy that is optimal for you. The AI will begin working on your business plan once you have finished answering all the questions. It will process your input and draw upon its extensive database of knowledge to produce a strategy that is comprehensive, precise, and well-reasoned. The best part is that you won't have to wait around for hours. It simply takes a few seconds. You might be wondering how reliable a business strategy developed by AI would be. Let me tell you that the AI powering SuperChat is formidable and adaptive. It has learned from tens of thousands of actual company plans and can now produce plans that are not just precise but also novel and useful. Plus, after your business plan is created, you can simply save it as a PDF and send it to your team, investors, or anybody else who needs to view it. Anyone from startups to existing businesses in need of a strategy refresh can benefit from this tool. Step 3. Post a job on Upwork. Now we've reached step 3 of your money-making plan, posting an ad on Upwork. If you're unfamiliar with Upwork, it's a marketplace where freelancers may offer their services to businesses who need them. If you're just starting out or looking to broaden your clientele, this is the place to look for employment opportunities. If you haven't previously done so, the first step is to register for an account on the Upwork platform. After you've signed in, you can look for opportunities to write business plans. Plenty of people out there needing a business plan written for them have posted their needs online. If you come across a job posting that piques your attention, take the time to study it thoroughly to determine whether or not you are qualified for the position. Pay close attention to the client's time frame, financial constraints, and other requirements. Keep in mind that competition of Upwork can be stiff, so it's important to make your profile stand out. Highlight your relevant experience and talents, and if at all feasible, include samples of your work. Make your cover letter memorable when applying for jobs on Upwork. Here's when ChatGPT really shines as a useful tool. Create a unique cover letter that emphasizes your experience, talents, and interest in the project by utilizing the AI-powered writing tool. ChatGPT will automatically write a convincing cover letter for you when you provide some basic information about the position and your qualifications. The letter can be revised as many times as necessary before you approve it. It's crucial to remember that even while ChatGPT can help you write a fantastic cover letter, you should still tailor each letter to the position for which you're applying. This requires paying close attention to the job description in order to craft a cover letter that speaks directly to the employer's interest. Now that you have a winning cover letter, it is time to send in your resume. Always act in a businesslike and courteous manner while communicating with the client, and respond quickly to any requests for clarification. The delivery of the service to the client is the next phase in your revenue generation strategy. Delivering a high-quality business plan that fulfills the client's needs is the next step after landing a job on Upwork and using ChatGPT to develop a great cover letter. Thankfully, this is now a breeze thanks to SuperChat. The website's built-in business plan builder makes it simple to draft comprehensive plans that meet all of your clients' needs. Simply input the client's business details, such as their intended audience and primary services or products. After inputting the client's vision, goals, and tactics, the AI-driven tool will develop a unique business plan that clearly lays out the client's path to success. The business plan can then be sent directly to the client via SuperChat's inbuilt delivery tool. This is beneficial to both you and the client because it streamlines the process. Keep in mind that doing excellent work is crucial to establishing yourself as a reliable freelancer. It's important to double-check your final product to make sure it satisfies the client. Be careful to deal with any problems or areas for development in a timely and competent manner. Building a good reputation on Upwork and attracting more clients in the future is possible through the delivery of high-quality work and the provision of exceptional customer service. And with the aid of tools like SuperChat and ChatGPT, you can streamline everything and guarantee the finest quality results every time. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what do you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn $33 when you upload a video. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.